We are here for a hair transplant with Dr. Scenic. This is the start of the journey inside the airport. Poor experience, very poor experience. They haven't strip searched me, otherwise they've done everything with the luggage, with the passport, with my history. So I am just being picked up in this big posh car. I'm going to give you a very quick, there are a lot of videos on the internet about hair transplant, different techniques. And if you're thinking about Turkey, yes, the expertise, there's a lot of expertise here. People also going in Greece now and also in UK. But the UK one is same procedure which you will get done for say 3,000 euros, best plan, best package. That will cost you something about 78,000 to 10,000 pounds in the United Kingdom. Guys, all ready for the hair transplant. First thing is why you want to go for the hair transplant. If you are satisfied, no problem. But if you are worried about your appearance, many other reasons, and you want to go for it, you can afford it, you should go for it. You shouldn't delay it. Now, there are a bit cheaper options. Obviously, the cheaper options, you will see their Trustpilot reviews are less, their Google reviews are less people satisfied. But that doesn't mean that they are not doing the good job. So you have to do the research according to the reviews, what's people's expectations and how were they treated. So I have chosen Dr. Scenic. Some of my friends went there, and it's a package which is costing about. So there are three packages. The maximum one is 3,300 euros. Now there are different techniques which they do. So commonest one is the DHI package. So DHI is the commonest and the most useful procedure. I would recommend DHI procedure. So guys, all assessment done. It was good, and then paid, and then they gave me a plan that they're going to do the hairline from here, which I have not agreed because they said there will be a bald patch at the back. Everybody has got their own reason for coming for hair transplant. Mine is that I don't like that bald patch there, so I've asked them to start from the back and come to the front as much as possible. Dr. Scenic has got another side, their own hospital, because it will be done with sedation. And the package will include at least 2 nights. Some offer 3 nights stay into a 4 or 5 star hotel, VIP, airport transfer, that's all included. So my experience for transfer from the airport at about 2:30 in the morning, car was there, only me, driver. They drove me straight to the center. I've just reached, and the hotel they have given me is Reliance Paulette Bosphorus or something. It's a nice hotel. I've checked in a day before. I paid for an extra night. At 2:45 I reached Dr. Scenic's hospital. There was at night time. They did early morning straight away from airport to Dr. Scenic clinic, ECG, bloods.
Halfway gone through. Still effect is there. It's not home throughout the procedure.
Beard hair has been taken as well.
When they were pulling the hair out, not very painful. So let's see.
So you can book a day in advance, like make it a holiday, come here, see Istanbul day or two before. I came 1 day before. I'm a bit nervous. Tomorrow is my procedure, and I will show you my video then, and I will be having a full dressing here and sitting like a white helmet robot. Now back to hotel. Initially I felt a little bit hotel lobby was full of guests, and I thought everybody's watching me in this getup. Post-op breakfast next day, guys. Lots of people sitting here, and I did not bother that I'm here, I'm sitting among them. I think it's normal for them. They see many people. So don't get anxious, worried at what people will think about you. Sometimes we think about this. Just think about yourself. Tomorrow this dressing will be off. I will be having a band tomorrow. That black band thing. So the question is, just for information, because there are many other people who want to come, which I know, and they will ask me, does Dr. Sinik do this procedure as well himself?
This procedure. This monitoring.
He just monitors, yeah?
This monitoring.
But the team do it.
The team do it.
Team
directs.
he directs it. Decisions and all that, isn't it?
Bitsene.
Now they are also offering sedations. So they will give you midazolam, you will be put to sleep. So this also improves the procedure time about 1 hour less from overall procedure, 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours less, because you won't be moving much and it will be completely, hopefully, painless procedure. But the cost for this is about 300 to 350 euros. Mine was discounted to 250 euros, so I opted for that.
The stem cell has been taken from a site and now going for centrifuge.
The other treatment option they're giving me is to take an extra is the graft insertion. So this PRP is the plasma they inject. Instead of this, they take the graft from a site and then they centrifuge it, and then they mix it with the solution and inject into all your skin. This not only allows the new follicles to grow more quickly, more healthy, but also the existing hairs, more strength. And this lasts for about 1 year to 1.5 years, and then you have to repeat it again. This PRP treatment, people do it in UK and other countries as well, is done every 2 to 3 months, 4 months, and costs about 300 to 400 pounds. All done, getting final instructions, medications, antibiotics. What will happen afterwards? So next day after procedure, they'll see you again, do the dressing. Back here for the dressing change. Night was good. Yeah. I look sad. No, I'm not sad. You'll go home with a band and a dressing. So make sure you take some few days off of work, rest, bring enough painkillers with you, ibuprofen, if you can get cocodamol from your doctor, and maybe a calming tablet like something like to calm you down, diazepam or lorazepam if your GP can prescribe you. This is about 200 euros, but they gave me free. What happens after this procedure? For 10 days you will be lying, you need to know these things. Lying flat, you can't sleep on either side. 10 days, sleep straight. Okay? You won't be able to do any sweating related exercise activity where they will be sweating for a month. You won't be able to go into direct sunlight. Those people living in countries where there is too much direct sunlight. Now, the hair growth doesn't happen instant. It can take something from 3-4 months to a year. Full results will be achieved in about 8 months to 1 year time. So if you see the hairs are falling down out, those which were being implanted follicles and the other hairs, so your hair will go as normal as they are, but the exact the thick hairs covering all the bald patches, the results will be into about 6-8 months to 12 months time. You won't get instant results that you will go and after 4 weeks you will have full blown good hairs. This is the day 3 after procedure. I was not wearing the band last night and that caused me a bit of big swelling here. It will go away after a few days now. So if you don't wear the band, it will trickle down and collect somewhere. So these are the, is there anything else I need to mention? And here we go, you got hair transplanted. So I've already shown you this bit thing is going, and yeah. So basically, if you are bothered, you do not like your appearance, or you're losing your self-confidence in getting bald, yes, why not go for a hair transplant? But if you're not bothered, life is going fine, your family is okay with that, you're okay with that, mind being getting bald completely or partially, then that's not for you. That's fine, you don't need to do it. There are many different providers in Turkey. So I would advise that if you're going to search, Google reviews may not be very accurate, but they may be accurate, I'm not saying that. But Trustpilot is more like people say more authentic, and they do check if they're putting fake reviews. And after a few months you will be a totally new, different person. Congratulations, you made the decision, you've gone through the hard work. You have to pay by a deposit, and then the amount you have to pay is you can pay by credit card, but they charge 10%. Turkish government charges 10% on the total. Get currency and take it with you in euros. They will charge you in euros, and you can pay cash in euros. I think 11:50 I was on the table. Something around 2:30 I was in a position that food came and they said sit up, eat food, and they did 1/3 of hair transplant already at that time. I was able to feel it, know it, that happening, but bit of midazolam effect lasted I think 2 hours. And after that they said now they restarted it. I was on the couch. Oh, total time 7 hours, brothers and sisters, 7 hours. So guys, I ordered some food. My food is here because obviously with this I can't go to any restaurant. So shortly I will eat my food. Hungry since morning. Given me a pack of medication, pillow, you need to lie flat. 10 days you need to lie flat, you can't lie on the side. The hat which you gonna wear for not now but for the first 10 days, this hat. So, and medications given, pain relief. There is Atarax tablet, which is a strong antihistamine to sleep. So this is something which you can ask your doctor to prescribe you. And then this is I don't know what is this, ciprofloxacin, prednisolone, and aspirin. So I'm not sure why aspirin, but aspirin been given to me as well. The burning is there. It's not much painful, but the burning is there. Any questions again, you can write in the comments box on the YouTube. Thank you very much. It's painful, but as you said, I'm still doing it.